Hi everybody, welcome to Maths. Let's see what we're learning today. If you can read the board with me, please read along. We are learning to create addition equations by splitting numbers into smaller parts. Now yesterday we spoke about part, whole. Can you do that with me? Part, whole. Now the reason we say that is because two smaller parts of a number, when we add them together, make a whole number. Okay, now like yesterday, today we are going to start with the whole number and we are going to split them up to create that number with two smaller numbers. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Now I've got a number up here and we need to find out what this number is. Okay, now I can see that I've got 4 tens because in here, use this one. In here, there are 10. I already know that, but we're mathematicians and we're just going to double check. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. So I know if there's 10 here, there are also 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. Now these do not equal 10. These equal just 1. Okay? These are our ones. When I have tens, I know I can skip count by 10 and then we'll count on. So let's count them together, starting from here, all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Awesome. Now I need to think about how I can split up the number 42 and put it into two smaller parts to still equal 42. Okay. Now, I've got MAB here, okay? Now, if you don't have MAB, you have to think about what else can you do, okay? Could you use some other materials at home that you might have? Can you use your skip counting knowledge, okay? Do you have a numbers chart that you might be able to use? Think about what else is going to help you, okay? Now, I'm just doing this now so I can show you how it works, okay? And how we can represent this. So, here I have 10, 20, 30, 40. Here I have 2, okay? So I can show 40 using the numbers, I can show the number 42 using the numbers 40 and 2, okay? 40 and 2 equal 42. Let's double check because we're mathematicians. 10, 20, 30, 40, got 40 and 2. We have just made 42 already with one way. Now let's think about how else we can make the number 42. What else can we do? Start thinking about what strategies you might find helpful. Start thinking about if you know a way that you can represent the number 42 with two smaller numbers. Okay? How else can we now show the number 42? What can we do? I've got 40 and 2. What if I remove a 10 and put that over here? Okay, now let's see what we've got. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So I've got 32 here plus, so and 32 and we know this is worth 10. So 32 and 10 equals 42. Okay? All right, boys and girls, it's now going to be your turn. Okay? On the next slide, there are some numbers there. You are going to try and split up those numbers and make them in different ways. Now, I don't mind how you set this up, okay? You might even draw them like I have done on this poster. I have drawn MAB, okay, which is what you might be able to do, okay? So for example, I have made the number 65 in 3 different ways. Let's see what I've done. I made the number 65 by showing 60 and 5 equals 65. There's 60 and 5. I made the number 65 by showing 32 and 33. There's 32 and 33. It also makes 65, but I'm a mathematician, so I'm going to double check. 10, 20, 30. I'll count all the 10s first. 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Awesome. I've made the number 65 with 32 and 33. I've also made the number 65 by showing 10 and 55, but I'm a mathematician, so let's double check and count all the 10s first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Okay, so I've made the number 65 in as many different ways as I could think of. Okay, you're going to go off now and make your numbers in 2 different ways. Okay, just like I made the number 42 in 2 different ways. Okay, I did 40 and 2 equals 42, and I did 32 and 10 equals 42. All right. On the next slide in the PowerPoint, there are numbers for you. You're going to use those numbers. Okay, look at those numbers and then make them, split them up and make them in different ways. Okay, try and do 2 different ways for each number. Okay, now I'm going to put this poster, a photo of this poster in the PowerPoint, so that if you do choose to draw pictures in your book, then you can. Okay, this will just be might be there to help you. Okay, boys and girls, don't forget to send pictures of your work to me. Awesome. Good luck, have fun, and I'll see you later. Bye everyone.